So today we're going to go through how to install your RoofBunk softshell annex awning. So first of all, make sure the window poles are put through the hole at the top near the awning so it avoids the zip. Next, remove the travel cover if you've not already done so. Put the floor down first, making sure it's lined up to where you'll be putting the annex tent. So then you slide the annex tent through the groove where the travel cover used to be. Next, zip the annex tent onto the roof bunk at the top after finding where the zip starts. So then you zip the annex tent onto the floor and the zip will start in the middle. You may have to get inside the tent to actually do this. And finally, you'll just stake it down where the hoops are and attach the guy lines. And that's it, finished. You'd obviously need to find grounds where you could actually put the stakes down, but for this example we just quickly showed you how to actually install it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and any questions just shoot them over. Happy roof bunking.